AVOS tutorial boarding. Resident at Zion Veng, Tuibong, Churachandpur, Manipur, near Layman Church. Our motto is, "Wisdom will honor you if you embrace it." Proverbs chapter 4, verse 8. Our vision is to fully rounded development of its student, such as academically, spiritually, physically, emotionally, and also contribute to the development of transferable skill like communication, personal responsibility, teamwork, and adaptabilities. Our goal is to provide a progressing academic result and also to provide a well-balanced academic, moral, and spiritual growth of a child. There are certain activities which are done in this boarding. In terms of social, games are conducted every Saturday in which all boarders participate. Weekly tastes are to be conducted every Saturday or Sunday. In terms of spiritual, counseling and recreation service are done on every Saturday. Spiritual recreation will be held at Prayer Mount on first Sunday of every month. English is used as a medium of speaking, communication, and teaching. Interested students are always warmly welcome in this boarding. For further information, you can freely contact 938311312. 938311312.